Hello, everybody. Welcome to our stream here on Facebook. I've been doing pretty good with this stream. Let me just verify everything looks good, looks good, looks good. Okay, so late last night, I put up for public use getting the cryptocurrency trading strategies now. So for 30 days, I've got the service running. I have just reported that the system alone in the last 24 hours is up about 7%. Said that in my previous video. The response from people is one example. Wow, Brian, absolutely amazing. Brilliant package. I'm telling all my friends about Quant Labs, just waiting to save cash after the dental. This is the year. And I can tell you this is the year. So if you look for this article here on my blog, quantlabs.net/blog, 2019 is the year for cryptocurrency with the new real-time signals. And you go here under Get Signals here now, and that will take you to the new URL. Now, I need to say that this is very limited. I'm going to probably try to keep it down to no more than 3 people at a time. We want to make sure everybody's happy with it. So it's 3 days, full day access to everything. You get to the quant analytics. That's pretty killer. It's starting to show itself. I'm not going to get into that in the details. If you want to know how to build this stuff, we got our current Python infrastructure course. The 2019 edition is live this week, Mondays and Thursday nights, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard. We still got about another 3 weeks to go on it, so we're about halfway. You're welcome to be part of those sessions. Here's the new thing. I'm going to give you a lifetime access to the new chat server. So you sign up, you become a customer of mine. So you get lifetime access. And then, of course, I've got all these different videos. The other thing, I was pretty surprised at how popular it was. I've got my more secret sauce, both in the Python course as well as here. I'm going to keep this up for another week. I don't need the world to know, but if you want to know how things are done, I have here a rough code walkthrough, and there's 4 videos of them for scheduling all strategy tasks, end of day task log and database maintenance, running P&L, profit and loss. Now this is 100% automated in Python. So now I can just set and forget the thing, and it will pump out all my reports, the term sheet. If I wanted to turn this thing for investment purposes, for investors to look at, we'll do it automatically, set up in the same structure of a term sheet. And as I said, it won't shut the strategy down, but it will enable the system 5 minutes before midnight, before it goes into the next trading day, and does all these tasks in the background. So in the next week to 2 weeks, I'll be posting track record of this strategy. And I'm only going to be doing this once because it's a very, very successful strategy. Just using this as a new signaling service that I just was working on all last week. This is going to be easily the biggest impact for anybody out there. So that's what we got. Now, in here, if you come here, it's via PayPal. It's $500 for 1 month, access to everything I do, everything. Be it the analytics here, the elite stuff. We've got the signaling right here, which is brand new, this dashboard. And then we got all the courses available as well for 30 days. The elite is about $4,800 for the year for an annual subscription. It's $500, so you're still saving money even on a monthly basis. I'm not going to push that. But the courses that's included in that is I have a Python version 2 course. I have a futures and options course. That's going to be in my next big phase. Probably another year before I do it, but there's a big demand for futures I don't know why people don't want to do options, but they'll do futures. But between the two, options and futures, I'm going to be doing a heavy push on that in the next year. I'm hoping to add machine learning to that as well. The Interactive Brokers API workshop, that is done in Java, C++, using Redis. The new technologies in Redis are incredible. Here I show you evolution of zero to hero is how I built out all my skills to be able to build out this strategy. A very successful strategy, I might add. And then, of course, if you are new, Duca's copy, Visual J4X, J4X and all that as well. I'm not going to get into all that, but it's all included. And then here, as I said, the new private chat here as well that I've got up and running, building out as well. So all of that's going to be made available. So now that we have the signaling service where you get anywhere from a couple of hundred emails a day of entries and exits of this minute-by-minute strategy that's working, or bot you can call it, is doing really good. And it's getting on average high 80s winning ratio, which is incredible. I'm very happy with it. I'm getting actually capital allocators now. I'm holding them off to give people opportunity to get in on this. If you're not interested, that's fine, but this will be it. But we've got success, I think, with this strategy. So once again, if you are interested, just come under here, quantlabs.net/academy, get -signals-here. I should be making a better domain, but that's how it works. That's the domain if you want to get access, and we have the buy option right there. All right, hopefully you like what you see. Got questions, let me know. I'll put this URL in the link as well for anybody interested. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.